Okay, so me and my friends were talking, and then we saw these kids vandalizing. Why y'all vandalizing? They're riding on that. Hey, don't ride on that. Vandalizing. Graffiti. I don't think they're.
What the heck?
I don't think they're listening.
Wait, why'd you flip it back over? Turn it back on.
Look.
Let me see. What is? Wait, is he trying to look for his video?
Yeah, he's trying to look at his video. He just uploaded a video. Want me to plug your channel?
Dude.
Okay.
Oh, not yet.
Okay.
Dude.
Because, yeah, we still haven't found the channel yet.
Dude, what the freak?
Oh, they're not vandalizing anymore. Hold on. Let me see if I can get the vandalizing. Come here.
Wait,
Let me see their vandalized.
Let me see.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. They're vandalized.
What?
They vandalized. Oh, my God. Mason Cow.
Want me to put things in the mouth?
No music. That's copyright. No, I'm kidding. Look, one of them wrote Mason. I don't know what that says. Danielle. Bad. Me. Hey, Dad. It says your name. Oh, Lucky Penny. I just found a penny, dude. Let's go. Vandalizing. Another clickbait, bro.